Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Honeygain Wallet and Jumptask Wallet. When comparing Honeygain Wallet and Jumptask Wallet, both are used to receive earnings from the Honeygain app, but they work in different ways. Honeygain Wallet is the default wallet. You can receive your payout directly from Honeygain. It's simple and doesn't require any extra steps. You just choose PayPal or Bitcoin once you reach the payout threshold. It's great if you want straightforward cash out. Jumptask Wallet, on the other hand, is connected to the Jumptask platform, which pays you in GMPT crypto tokens instead of regular money. With this wallet, you can start earnings without hitting a minimum payout, and you can use GMPT tokens for other crypto tasks or convert them to other currencies. But it does involve learning a bit about crypto and setting up a crypto wallet. In my opinion, if you want a fast and easy payouts with no crypto hassle, the Honeygain wallet is better. But if you're into crypto or want to earn GMPT with lower withdrawal limits, the Jumptask wallet gives you more flexibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.